Hello, my name is Nikita Loganov, and today I'll be conducting an interview with Sergey Shabalov at Sabre Holdings. The first question is, what do you do at Sabre?
Hi, Nikita. I am a vice president of research at Sabre. Sabre is a very big company which builds software systems for travel industry, for airlines, hotels, travel agencies. And I'm responsible, and my team is responsible for building advanced mathematical, machine learning, and data science algorithms for this software.
Okay. The second question is, what do you love about working at Sabre?
I love building software systems. I can see how they help different entities within travel industry, airlines, hotels to do their job better. I can see how these systems help travelers to enjoy the travel experience more. And I can see how we can make things much more convenient, much more efficient, much more profitable for the travel industry.
Okay. Next question is, what's the least favorite thing about working at Sabre?
I'd say as any big corporation, there is a certain amount of administrative responsibilities that people have. And that's probably not the most things that I enjoy compared to the solving scientific problems or actually coding the software. Dealing with plans and accounting and things which are required just day-to-day routine. That's the least enjoyable part of my job.
Okay. Next question being, if you could give any advice to someone currently in college seeking a job in that position, what would it be?
I would recommend learning more about the industry you would like to work in, what are the real problems this industry is facing, how currently these problems are solved. And that will help you to identify how what you learn in school is connected to the real world. That, I would say, is the best, how you can prepare for graduating and then working in this industry from the very beginning.
And then the final question being, what does your day-to-day look like working at Sabre?
Well, I'm coordinating a pretty big team, which means I act as a sort of a bridge between the scientists who are solving the problems or building the algorithms and folks who understand how the industry works, who can pose the business problems. So usually I'm working the folks on the business side, understanding what we're looking for, making plans for creating the software. And then I switch to work with my team on how exactly we will solve these problems, how can we deliver a solution that business is expecting from us, what are the challenges, what are the opportunities. Aside from that, as I mentioned, there are some administrative activities required to hiring new people, requiring to managing the team in terms of their performance and so
on. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening to my interview. My name is Nikita Loganov. From this presentation and interview, I mostly learned the better questions to be asked during an interview, as I believe some of the questions that I asked were not necessarily related or coordinated with any of my job seeking in the future. I should have asked more about further education and if there's a need for it, as Sergey Shabalov has a PhD in mathematics. I should have asked more questions due to that. But overall, thank you so much. My name is Nikita Loganov. Bye-bye.